Okay, so there I was taking a shower and I was thinking to myself, we've accumulated a lot of beard product in the past few weeks. Now, with that being said, I've decided we're gonna do some giveaways. But first, we're gonna go over the topic of today, and that's growing a beard and some tips and tricks that I've learned along the way from my own personal experience. Now, this may seem elementary to some of you, and to others, it might be a case of those aha moments, or I think you know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's start with growing your beard. Priority number one, and the most important step, do not touch it. Now, within the first 6 to 8 weeks, about 6 to 8 weeks, it all depends on the person. I recommend tying your hands behind your back if you have to, because this is when mistakes are made. You get excited, you see things sprouting up, you want to start cleaning it up, but that's when mistakes happen because you end up screwing up somehow and getting super pissed and shaving off what you've worked the past few weeks for. So do not touch it. And I know this sounds very simple. The idea seems very simple, but it's not. Trust me, I've made this mistake numerous times. Now, when it comes to cleaning up your cheek line, once you've waited about probably 6 to 8 weeks, some people it's less, some people it's more, but generally speaking, it's around 6 to 8 weeks. When we go to line up the cheek line, I recommend using a straight razor. Now, I say that because generally speaking, when you're using one of these, the normal household razors, they are not nearly as precise as a straight razor. And that's again when a lot of the mistakes happen, because you can't really tell where you are making your line compared to when you are using your straight razor. Now, for this video, I won't really go into the specifics pertaining to the straight razor. We'll leave that for another video. Now, we've gone over do not touch your beard. That's priority number one when it comes to growing out your beard. Number two, when it comes to the cheek line, make sure to use a straight razor instead of your normal shaving razor. And now, it's all a matter of preference with your cheek line, whether or not you want to just let it go natural or whether you line it up. So also keep that in mind. It's very specific to the individual, but if you are deciding to trim it up, again, straight razor. Now, going from the cheek line down to the overall length, make sure when you are trimming, if you do decide to do so, make sure that you start from the front and work your way back, because a lot of times people will start trimming up from the sides and realize they've gone way too short and have to bring up the front of their beard drastically. And again, this is just my take on the given situation. Make sure you start from the front and work your way back. Going back over what we just talked about, number one, do not touch your beard for at least 6 to 8 weeks, depending on how fast your beard grows. Number two, your cheek line. Use a straight razor as opposed to your general shaving razor. And number three, when you do go to trim the length of your beard, make sure you start from the front and then work your way back. All right, now for the giveaway. What I'm going to be doing is giving away products that I've recently reviewed, and how we're going to do this is if you're intrigued by any of the products that I've reviewed, or you already have them, you just want more of it, just go ahead in the comment section below, let me know the company name and the product you want specifically, whether it be a balm or an oil or a comb or scissors, if I have them. And for extra pointers, you can go over to Instagram, make sure that you're following me, and leave a comment on my most recent post and let me know the company name and the product that you want. Now, let me go over the products that I do have available. First off, we have lots of beard struggle, and with the beard struggle, I have balms, I have oils, and I have a couple combs and brushes. So we have the beard struggle. Second, we have Kingsman beard oil, and the scent we have here, we just have one scent by Kingsman, and that's Holy Grail. And again, they've all been opened because we've reviewed them. So one scent from Kingsman. Then we have main men, and main men we actually have quite a few. We have 5 scents to choose from. So if you did like main men or you're intrigued and you want to try it out, just go ahead, let me know which scent you would like. Another company that we have is Grow a Beard, and Grow a Beard we have a balm along with comb, brush, and scissors. And last but not least, we have Royal Beardsman. However, so I have 3 scents right here, but I'm actually going to be keeping Bonfire Brandy because it smells amazing. But we do have Sire and King's Lagoon available. Those 2 scents actually have a oil and a balm. So yeah, so that's going to do it. I wish you the best of luck. Again, for extra points, in addition to leaving a comment below with the company and the specific product that you want, you can head over to Instagram, make sure that you're following me, and leave me a comment over there. Going back to the disclaimer pertaining to the products being opened, because we've reviewed them, there's going to be one more thing. I'm going to ask that you please cover the shipping. Because it's going to add up. There's a lot of product that I'm going to be giving away, and this channel is relatively small. Now, once I hit the big time, I'll be giving away products and paying for the shipping left and right, but until then, I ask that you please help me out in regard to the shipping, and I'm not looking to make a profit. I'll put the receipt in the box to show you what I'm paying for shipping and what I'm charging you for shipping, just so you know. So yes, I wish you the best of luck for those of you that are going to be participating in this giveaway. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. Until next time, peace and good luck.